10 minutes doesn't look impressive. That's why most people skip it. But your body doesn't measure effort in minutes. It measures it in consistency. The moment you start cycling, your legs wake up. Blood starts moving faster. Your heart responds immediately. Cycling is one of the few exercises where the body finds rhythm quickly. Pedal, breathe, repeat. In 10 minutes, your thighs, glutes, and calves stay active without joint stress. Your knees move smoothly. Your hips stay loose. That's why cycling works for almost everyone. 10 minutes of cycling improves circulation. Better circulation means better energy. Better energy means better workouts later. Cycling also trains endurance without exhaustion. You finish the session feeling warm, not drained. That's how habits survive. This is not about speed. It's about steady pressure. When pedaling stays smooth, your heart rate stays elevated long enough to support fat burning. Not extreme, not painful, sustainable. Cycling quietly strengthens the lower body. Over time, legs become more efficient. Movement feels lighter. Stairs feel easier. Breathing matters here. Inhale through the nose when possible. Exhale fully. Calm breath keeps effort under control. 10 minutes is short enough to remove excuses. Busy day? Still doable. Low energy? Still manageable. That's why consistency wins here. Cycling also resets the mind. The repetitive motion clears mental noise. Stress drops. Focus returns. Some days you push slightly harder. Some days you go easy. Both count, because showing up matters more than intensity. 10 minutes of cycling every day is not about transformation overnight. It's about building a system your body trusts. Pedal today, pedal tomorrow. Let the results catch up. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And subscribe this channel. Also like this video. And text in comment box regarding which exercise you want to see next video.